In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing, setting up, and customizing the Beauty by Star widget under the Cosmic Lifestyle category using the Divine Astro plugin on your WordPress website. This widget provides users with astrological beauty insights, making their experience engaging and personalized. To simplify the setup, all Cosmic Lifestyle widgets follow the same configuration process, ensuring consistency across all astrology-based readings. Here, we are explaining the process using the Beauty by Star widget as an example. Let's get started. The first step is installing the Divine Astro plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, then type Divine Astro in the search bar. Once you locate the plugin, click Install Now, and after the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, you'll see a new menu item labeled Divine Astro in your dashboard. That's all it takes to install the plugin. Now, let's move on to activation and authentication. To access the Beauty by Star widget, you'll need an API key from Divine API. If you're a new user, sign up for a free 7-day trial or log into your existing account. Inside your Divine API dashboard, go to the API keys section and copy your key. Then, return to your WordPress dashboard, click on Divine Astro, and open the Authenticate tab. Paste your API key into the provided field and click Save Settings. Next, authorize your website by copying your website URL from WordPress and then going to the Website Authorization section in your Divine API dashboard. Enter your website URL and click Save. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard, refresh the page once, and you will see a green badge indicating that your site is authorized. Without this step, the widget will not function, so ensure the authorization process is completed. Now that the plugin is set up, let's embed the Beauty by Star widget on your website. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divine Astro, then click on Cosmic Lifestyle and select Beauty by Star. Here, you will find the shortcode for the widget. If no shortcode is available, click Create New Shortcode to generate one, which will redirect you to Divine API. Save your settings, return to WordPress, refresh the page, and your settings will appear along with the shortcode. Copy the shortcode and click on Pages, then Add New Page. Paste the shortcode into the WordPress editor, whether you're using the block editor or the classic editor. Alternatively, you can open any desired page or post and paste the shortcode where needed. Finally, click Save or Publish to apply the changes. Once embedded, the widget will provide users with astrology-based beauty insights. You can click on View Page to see how it looks. To ensure the Beauty by Star widget blends seamlessly with your website's design, let's customize it. Click the Customize button next to the shortcode you want to modify. If you are logged into the Divine API dashboard, it will take you directly to the customization panel. Otherwise, you'll need to log in first. In the customization panel, you can adjust settings such as colors, fonts, and layout options to match your website's theme and branding. This customization enhances the visual appeal and user experience. For a more detailed step-by-step guide on customization, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the video description. Once you've finished making changes, save your settings. That's how you can customize your desired widget and make it live on your website. If you plan to use multiple shortcodes, you can easily manage them by keeping track of their unique IDs. You can assign different shortcodes to different pages to provide varied content. This flexibility allows you to optimize the plugin for different sections of your site, providing a more engaging experience for your users. And that's it. You've successfully installed, set up, and customized the Beauty by Star widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. Your visitors can now enjoy astrology-based beauty insights directly from your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available via live chat or email at admin@divineapi.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.